Much of the building is about its natural materials, the stone, the concrete, the glass. The stone, which is pink by default. It was to be the color of the stone of Parliament. Turned out to be an American quarried stone. Government decided no, they wanted a Canadian stone for National Gallery. And from a Quebec quarry, we got this pink granite that's very rich and tested it, made some drawings, said, well, let's go for the pink. So you've got the warmth of that, the grayness of the concrete, and white walls. But on certain axes, I felt that something should draw you and break those rules. And at the end of the concourse, we have this great space supporting the grand stair. It's not unlike the grand stair at the end of the ramp at Bernini's Scala Regia. And I wanted to break away and choose a color that sort of was mysterious, and that saturated turquoise, I thought, would do that. It's a cool color, but it's also at the same time has a warmth about it. So we went for the cool blue-gray in the recesses of the air conditioning coves in the courtyards, a kind of a cobalt blue for the ornamental air conditioning devices, and complementing that, this sort of turquoise saturation of this space. And 25 years later, there it is, the same color as we originally picked.